Hello, good morning to everybody. The today's class is the transmission and distribution. Transmission and distribution. So, in your consumer premises, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ತನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ದೂರ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ away from your place. So that is from that generating point to your consumer point, there is a large network. There is a large network. That network is called as transmission and distribution. Transmission and distribution. In transmission and distribution, there are types of power transmissions. The one is the DC system. In DC system, the two-wire system, and another one is DC two-wire with mid-wire system, and C is the DC three-wire system. And the next one is AC single-phase system. In AC single-phase system, first one is the AC two-wire system, and AC two-wire with mid-wire system, and AC three-wire systems. And another network is that is AC two-phase system. So AC two-phase system, in that one, the one is the two-phase three-wire system, and another one is the AC two-phase four-wire systems. Next, another one is AC three-phase system. In AC three-phase system, the three-phase three-wire system and three-phase four-wire system. So these are the types of the transmissions. Types of the transmissions. So next, the transmission and distribution system. How it is? This is the line diagram. The first one is this is the generating station. In generating station, where the generating voltage is 11 or 11.5 or 12 kilovolts. 12 kilovolts. So this voltage can be stepped up in the station only, in generating station only. So that is 11 kV is up to 220 kV. So 11 kV step up to 220 kV. That is in generating station. You should remember this transformer, step up transformer in generating station. So from this generating station, the lines comes to the receiving point. That is here. This 220 volts is converted into 130 or 66 kV. That is stepped down. So from here to here, this is called as the primary transmission. It's called as the primary transmission. Once again, I will tell you. So this is the 11 kV bar 220 kV means the 11 kV volts stepped up into 220 kilovolts. 220 kilovolts. So this is the step up transformer. It is again in the generating station. So from generating station to the receiving station, that is 220 kilovolts. This here the 220 lines. The voltage in this line is 220 kilovolts. So this 220 kilovolts will be stepped down up to 132 or 66 kilovolt. 132 or 66 kilovolt. So from here to here, this is a primary transmission. That is 220 kilovolt to up to that is 132 kilovolt. That is a primary transmission. And here this 132 kilovolt is again stepped down up to 132 or 60 kV bar 11 kV. So this is the secondary transmission. So here again the voltage is stepped down. That is 132 or 66 kV to 11 kV. Here 220 to 132 step down. Here there is 132 to 66 or to 11 kV. 132 or 66 kV to 11 kV. Here the voltage stepped down at here. So up to here, this is the secondary transmission. So this 132 or 66 kV bar 11 kV, that is step down. Again, I am starting here this point here. So this point comes from here. This is the substation. So in substation, up to it's 11 kV. So this 11 kV is again 11 kV to 415 volts. So this is the primary distribution. Here again the voltage is stepped down. That is from 11 kV here. It's 11 kV step down here, and that 11 kV stepped to the 415 volts. So this is the primary. This is up to here to here. This is the primary transmission, and here to here, this is 11 kV is reduced to or step down to 415 volts. So that is the secondary distribution. Secondary distribution. Here to here there is primary distribution, and here to here it is a secondary distribution. So it's in secondary distribution there is a consumer points. Consumer points. Consumer points. Now in this transmission and distribution divided into three parts: feeders, distributors and service line. Feeders, distributors and service lines. Feeder means from generating station to up to this substation. Up to substation, these are called as feeders. These are called as feeders. In these feeder lines, the current is same. The current is same, but the voltage is different at different points. From this substation to this one up to this secondary distribution, this point is called as the distributors. In distributors, so in distributor position, the current is different, the voltage is same. The current is different, voltage is same. So then service line is from the point where the kV or lines comes to your near to your home. From there you are taking the general wires, by that called as service lines, or sometime overhead lines, or sometime underground cables. So this is the service lines. Okay, thank you.